Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the Realme Narzo 65Z, a smartphone that's generating a lot of buzz as one of the best options under rupees 20,000. We'll explore its features, performance and whether it lives up to the hype. Let's get started. Let's begin with the design of the Realme Narzo 65Z. It features a sleek and modern design with a plastic bag that has a glossy finish, giving it a premium look. The phone feels solid in hand and is comfortable to hold despite its large 6.5-inch display. Moving on to the display, the Realme Narzo 65Z sports a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus LCD panel with a smooth 90 Hz refresh rate. Colors are vibrant and the higher refresh rate makes for a smoother scrolling and gaming experience, which is great to see in this price range. In terms of performance, the Realme Narzo 65G is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 700 chipset coupled with either 4 GB or 6 GB of RAM. This setup handles day-to-day tasks and gaming quite well. Games like PUBG Mobile and Call of Duty run smoothly at medium settings thanks to the Mali G57 MCT GPU. Next up, let's talk about cameras. The Realme Narzo 65G features a triple camera setup on the rear, including a 48 MP primary sensor, a 2 MP macro lens, and a 2 MP depth sensors. For selfies, there's an 8 MP front-facing camera. The rear cameras perform well in good lighting conditions, producing detailed shots with accurate colors. However, the low light performance could be better. Battery life is another highlight of the Realme Narzo 65G. It packs a 5000 mAh battery that easily lasts through a full day of heavy usage. When it's time to recharge, the phone supports 18-watt fast charging, which isn't the fastest but gets the job done. On the software front, the phone runs Realme UI based on Android 12 out of the box. As the name suggests, the Realme Narzo 65G supports 5G connectivity, which is a big plus if you're looking for future proofing. It also includes all the essential connectivity options like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS, and a headphone jack. So, should you consider the Realme Narzo 65G as the best for under 20,000? It certainly ticks a lot of boxes with its attractive design, smooth display, capable performance, good battery life, and 5G support. However, the camera performance in low light and slightly slower charging speeds might be consideration depending on your priorities. And that wraps up our overview of the Realme Narzo 65G. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.